Hello and welcome back to ATS Law Academy, your one-stop destination for everything law students, advocates, and legal minds need to stay ahead. Today's hot topic: can a top-ranked M holder be failed in the All India Bar examination, and what happens if the process lacks transparency? Let's dive into a case that's stirring conversations in the legal community across India. LLM holder moves Gujarat High Court challenging fail result in AIBE. The Gujarat High Court on the 17th of June, Tuesday, issued notice to Bar Council of India, BCI, after a petitioner holding a Master of Law with First Class was declared fail in the All India Bar Examination, AIBE, which is mandatory for law graduates to become practicing advocates. The petition was filed challenging the decision of the BCI declaring her as failed, stating although 7 out 100 questions in the ALB exam were withdrawn, no grace marks were granted to her despite attending all 100 questions. It was alleged that the decision arbitrary and lacks transparency. Justice Niral R. Mehta ordered notice returnable on the 8th of July 2025. Background: the petitioner has completed her LL.M. in criminal law with first class in April 2024 and has previously cleared SCC, HSC, graduation in LL.B. She appeared for AIBE that was held on the 22nd of December 2024. AIBE is an open book exam with 100 multiple choice questions. The Bar Council of India issued a clarification in their website, wherein it was pointed out that out of 100 questions, the Bar Council of India is withdrawing 7 questions and the result will be based on 93 questions, instead of 100 questions, and the passing marks, thus, will be calculated as 45% of 93 marks, which rounds up to 42 marks as far as general, OBC category is concerned. The petitioner was declared failed and dissatisfied with the result. She submitted an online application for rechecking of the exam paper and paid the requisite fee. The online rechecking mechanism did not allow the petitioner to add any comment to explain the grievance, and she was constrained to proceed with the rechecking application in the prescribed format. The petitioner then stated that she received a message from AIBE department that the answer sheet was duly rechecked and there was no change in the result. It was stated that the respondent authorities did not provide any reasoning or justification explaining the result despite the rechecking process. Case title: Urvi Chandrasekhar Acharya vs Bar Council of India or ANR. Case number: SCA 7568 of 2025. What do you think? This case raises some serious concerns about transparency, fairness, and the standardized mechanisms used by BCI to evaluate future lawyers of India. Should candidates be entitled to grace marks when questions are withdrawn? Should BCI revamp its result declaration and grievance redressal process? Stay informed. To keep up with this case and other key legal developments, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to ATS Law Academy for real-time, and hit the bell icon for more updates.